How to create and get your private folder on MX Player app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to get the private folder on MX Player. First thing, it's so easy. Go to MX app, now go to the top corner and click on those three lines right here. After you click, now you will find many options here. Click on the private folder option right here. Now, as you can see, all what you have to do is so simple. Just go down here, click on this plus option. Now you can add any folder or file to this private folder easily, and you can hide it. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end.